Good morning, everybody. Scott Betti here at Firkins in Bradenton. Just took in this really nice trade. This is a 2018 Journey in granite crystal pearl. Love the wheels. This thing is immaculate. Look at the interior. Look at the shine there. Absolutely gorgeous car. The Journey has the third row. I'm going to show you some wells here. It's actually like a cooler where you can put soda and ice and all kinds of things. It does have a third row. You lift that up, push it forward, get back into the third row. 7-passenger Journey. It is an SE model, and it only has 10,000 miles. So, call me for more information, folks. Scott Betti at Firkins. 2018 granite crystal pearl Journey with 10,310 miles. Scott Betti at Firkins, 7486510. Another beautiful Betti trade. Find it only at Firkins.